Colorado's Department of Revenue says sales are continuing to drop in medical marijuana.
And experts say they're worried about people with health conditions getting access to the treatment they need.
I spoke with experts today to get their concerns. They say patients are paying more in taxes for similar products at recreational facilities.
This is the lowest they've been since the legalization of rec. I'm very worried.
Worried is an understatement for Truman Bradley, the executive director of the Marijuana Industry Group, a trade association in Colorado that provides support for marijuana-related businesses and believes in safe access to clean products for all Coloradans and its visitors. To give you some context, according to the State Department of Revenue, medical marijuana sales in the state in June of this year were $19.2 million, dropping from $34.5 million in June of 2021, a 44% drop. Bradley believes the industry is suffering for a number of reasons.
On the medical side, some very strict purchase limits came in. You know, for pharmaceuticals, patients can get up to a 1-month supply, but for medical cannabis, they're daily purchase limits. For folks who are immunocompromised or disabled, this is a real problem.
Which he says is making some patients resort to buying recreational marijuana, which is costing them more money due to the higher tax base, and pushing some medical marijuana businesses to shut its doors, like Buddy Boy dispensaries and Mile High Green Cross, closing their locations over the last few months. The city of Denver says it's seen a decline in people applying for a medical marijuana license over the last 5 years, citing similar reasons.
We think it might be because people just don't want to go through the hassle of getting their medical card. They rather just walk down the street and go to a recreational dispensary.
Stats from Denver's annual marijuana report show the city had 731 active licensed marijuana businesses in January of 2014 and is currently at 433 as of January of this year.
I think really what some people are wondering if there is an oversaturation of marijuana market in Denver. We have a lot of stores, and whether it be medical or recreational.
Bradley says the recreational industry is also taking a hit.
Recreational sales are a significant portion of the tax revenue, but recreational sales are down over 20% as well. There's a real attack on the industry right now.
Saying things like inflation and increasing taxes is contributing to that. So he's hopeful the industry will make an upward trend before things get worse. I reached out to the state's Medical Enforcement Division, which regulates the medical and retail industries in Colorado, to see what they have to say about the decline in medical sales and if there's anything that can be done to stop the decline from happening. They said they don't have anything to contribute at this time.